In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an updated review of the Caddy Covers UK Series 2. Today's video is brought to you by Caddy Covers UK. I'd like to be absolutely transparent with you guys and just say that Caddy Covers UK have not transferred any money. They've not paid me to say the things that I'm going to say in today's video. They've just simply sent me this Series 2 cover for free so that I can review it and just tell you guys about it and share with you my experiences with having owned this now for about 2 or 3 months. So the Series 2, what do I like about it? Well, I like the fact that it's very, very rigid. It's very strong. The Velcro on the sides of the cover is very strong. They never come away. This doesn't flap about in the wind, especially when you're going at 60 miles an hour on the freeway or the motorway. It does not make an annoying noise for you. It doesn't flap away, it doesn't open. The latch stays nice and locked and strong in there. It's a solid piece of equipment. I've actually used this as a workbench when I've been working on things with the truck. I can actually put multiple things on. You probably shouldn't, but I put lots of things on here and use it as a bit of a workbench, hence why it's all dusty and grimy. So there's a lot to like about this. It's very, very high quality build. It's super strong, never comes undone, and it does, like, I have complete trust. If I put lots of things in the back here, I have complete trust that when this cover is on, that nothing is going to fly out, nothing is going to come undone, etc. in transit, and that is what you want from one of these covers on a pickup truck. So where could this cover improve? As we all know, this is the Series 2 and it can only be opened from the back. And the second part to that is that you can't open the cover like this. That would be my first improvement, is to be able to open this cover without having to open the tailgate, which is only a small niggle. The other thing that I would love to see in perhaps a future cover, maybe a Series 3, is I would love to be able to open up the cover from this end of the truck. Because at the moment with the Series 2, you can only open the cover and access the bed from the tailgate. I believe in the Series 1, which had poppers on the sides, you could access the bed from anywhere on the truck. You could just pop it open and you can access it. That you cannot do with the Series 2. It's not a deal breaker, but it's just one of those things I just wish that we could do, because I went camping with a bunch of friends in the Peak District. The bed is full of camping gear, tents, chairs, food, you name it. It's all covered in there, and sometimes there was something here or here, somewhere in the bed that I needed to access, and the only way I could do that was to open the back, open the whole cover up, and access something here. Whereas in an ideal world, I'd love to be able to just go, oh, I need that thing, it's right there, and I'll just open up here, there it is, close that. It's just a suggestion. Some other Series 2 owners have been in touch, and they've all said one thing. If there was one thing that they could improve on with a future cover, it's the seal on the cover itself. At the back here, the seal does not look 100% watertight or waterproof. I think it even says it on the instruction manual when you get this cover. This is not 100% waterproof. You can see there's a slight gap between the truck and the cover itself. So yes, in a future cover, if they would make one, I would love to see an improvement with the seal so that it is absolutely watertight. One thing that I've noticed with the seal itself is that there doesn't seem to be a cap end on the seal. So at the end you'll see the bare metal which is attached to the rest of the cover. Now because there's no seal or end, this bare metal gets rusty over time, as you can see. I've seen that some people have 3D printed their own cap ends to go on these, but as a consumer of one of these covers, I don't think you should have to go out of your way to make a cap end to fix a problem that shouldn't be there. It's just another really small little niggle that some people might care about and some people might not. So at the moment I'm getting a lot of messages from people on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Where can I get a Caddy cover? Where can I get one? Well, at the moment, at the current time of filming this, Caddy Covers UK is undergoing a relaunch of the brand. They've got a new logo, new merchandise, new products and things like that, and it is all in the works, so I'm told. So if at this point you are watching this video and they have relaunched, I will put a link in the description of this video. You can go and check it out. But at the moment, their website is currently unavailable, but as soon as I know, I'll let you know. Like I said, this is a fantastic cover and it is well worth the money. The quality is ridiculous. You know, I've not had a single tear, I have no faults to give it other than what I've mentioned already. What I really like about this cover is that it's really easy to just unclip and roll it up if you don't want to use it. And it's even easier if you want to roll it down and clip into the back. Super easy. The other thing that I really like about this cover, it is so streamlined. It's got so much tension that there's no wobbliness, there's no like flapping away. It is absolutely so rigid and perfect, and it's not gonna come unstuck whilst you're going down the motorway. As mentioned in previous videos, you have to see this cover as an investment. You might look at the price tag and think, oh, that's a bit too expensive for me, like in my case, but you have to see this as an investment. This is going to protect the contents of your truck bed, and you're going to have this for a long time. So that's the Series 2 from Caddy Covers UK. This is your solution if you do not have a gem top or a truckman top or any sort of shell, a camper shell on the back. This is your solution. This ticks most of the boxes of things that you need from a cover for your rabbit pickup or caddy. It's absolutely perfect. Like I said, the only things that I can think of that I would change or improve on, I would love to be able to open it from here as opposed to here, and maybe just fix the ends here and a better seal so that zero chance of rain is getting in the back. That's it. Other than that, this is a super high quality product that will do the job. Thank you for watching today's video. If you got anything out of it, please press the like button. It definitely helps me out. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned, because we've got lots more videos just like this on old Volkswagen Mark 1s. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.